I got this really nice elk tag down in southern Idaho for this big bull. My papa spent a lot of money on this 338 Lapua, so we can go down there and shoot 1,000 yards or so. We're practicing right now. He's setting up balloons down over there. We are planning on shooting 940 yards right now. Just getting ready for the hunt. And so he's setting up balloons right now so we can go shoot them. So stay tuned and we'll shoot up a couple rounds.
Practice, you do everything right. You pick a spot on that stump.
Okay, ready when you are.
I'm ready.
You do it right, Brett. Squeeze super slow.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
Still just a touch high.
That's perfect. This one.
Okay, right at the bottom of that balloon, okay? You're good to go. Got it.
Got it. Hit it.
September 27th, me and my dad are heading down early for Brett's elk tag down in southern Idaho. Super excited. This is going to be a great elk hunt. Good tag that he has. He's shooting really good at about 1,000 yards right now. So anything, I'm confident with him shooting anything over that. So, but we're all loaded up, and we'll see you guys on the mountain.
One thing I'd like to mention is that these elk that we see on this trip are all just about 650 yards to 1,000 yards away. My camera is just a little bit shaky most of the time, so I do get to straighten it out, but a lot of it is a little bit shaky.
He's small, but it's the first one we've seen. We've been driving around, just looking, freezing our ass off.
Have you guys been seeing it?
That's the first one. We had a bull bugle at camp, but that's the first elk we've seen. I just happened to look over. I'm like, there's a freaking elk right there.
We haven't seen any sunshine yet.
Hey, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna call somebody else, okay? This is another small one. I can't believe I've seen that thing driving on the four-wheeler. That's a nice bull. Well, it's not giant, but it's a nice bull. Oh, there she is. I got her. She's right there. Keep an eye out for a bull coming up. She's right to the left of that tree. That's what I was saying. That just to the left of the stump. She's in the brush. She's better.
Yeah, look down there and I saw that.
Yeah.
Now, you know what? I'm going to start glassing this right here.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
But when I pulled up right there and I went, there's a freaking elk.
There's a freaking elk standing there. Seconds. Sweet.
I get one.
You got one. Oh my God, you finally got an elk. Oh my gosh, the only thing you found so far is a rabbit. 2 days. Oh, she's working left now.
After watching this cow graze across the hill for 20 minutes, I started to glass underneath the tree line, and I found a bedded cow just above where she was at. And little did I know that the biggest bull in that drainage was about to show himself. And we just decided we were going to stay with him for the next couple hours and put him to bed back here and try to find him again in the morning.
See, that's the one I saw. See it? So you see the sunshine that's behind the shadow of the spruce tree? It's a little sliver.
Is the spruce tree making the shadow you're talking about?
Back on the ridge. Okay, see the dark shadow going across the top of that ridge? Right. Okay, well in the middle there's like the shadow goes up and down. See it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, it goes up and down. On the right there's sunshine of that just a little bit. I think it's the shadow of that spruce tree. It almost looks like there's an elk standing in the sunshine back there right now.
I got 5 in my frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in my frame. Where the hell is he? Mm-hmm. Yards. I think he's going right to that cow. That's got her butt in the sunshine.
Yeah, he's just staying there. Here he comes. He's coming to the right. He's going to come out right perfect.
To that cow.
No, to the right. He's going right to the ugly tree. He's going to come right out into that.
There he is. I got him.
Oh, look at the freaking rat. Look at that rat. Brett, don't look at the rat.
Don't look at the wreck, Brett. I got a beautiful. Oh, that's a nice bull.
Okay, that guy's horns. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get out of the freaking shade.
I know.
Oh my lord. Did you see that when he lifted his head up?
No.
Oh, shit.
He's got good.
Look at that. There he is.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, damn. Yeah, he doesn't have anything in the back, but he has got some main beams.
You're kidding me. You don't think he has anything in the back?
Mm-mm. He's got one split in the back, but the other side's just a fifth. Yeah, there he is.
You got him in the film.
Mm-hmm.
Right on.
He is a beautiful bull.
God, Brett, can you do that or not?
I know. No, they're coming down. More cows are dropping down right now. If I could. There he is. Just walked into the open to the right.
You got him?
Yep.
Oh, that's a place.
That's just it.
Okay, Brett. Right behind the shoulder.
700 yards.
Right behind the shoulder, Brett. Touch it off. Right, Brett. Touch it. You got him. Squeeze really slow. He had time to shoot that time.
Yeah, he did.
This is now the 3rd day of scouting for elk, and yesterday we had that big bull that we were watching, and there's about 10 cows that he had in there, and they were the only ones in that basin. And in the morning we woke up and there was a huge change in the elk population in that basin. There was over 100 head and about 15 bulls. We had a bull run in right behind us, bugling. He got about 10 feet, and that just killed every one of us because it was still archery season, but none of us had a tag for that unit. But yeah, as you watch, you'll see this herd moving around, and I had a camera malfunction. I couldn't get it turned around and onto that elk that came in behind us. It happened so fast, and then most of these elk, my camera wouldn't get onto them. There was too many, and it all just turned into total chaos in there with the amount of elk that I was trying to video. and how far away they were, 700, 800 yards away. And I just couldn't get any solid video of them. But yeah, just enjoy the next couple days, and we get to pick up Brett shortly and continue this hunt.
That's not even the same bull as this one. Walking. It kind of sucks. I can't see the horns good enough. There he goes. There he goes. He's pushing him. Over here. There you go. There you go. You better took a video, not a picture. Dude, are you kidding me? Too fast. No way, bro. Are you kidding me? Too fast. My ship won't shut off.
There's a bull. Big bull.
Where?
Right up high, going up there. Right at the top.
Yeah, I
there,
got him.
look.
I got him.
That's a nice bull.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a big bull. Where? Right at the very top of this ridge on the right.
Shit.
I think that might be the bull we were looking at yesterday.
That's a freaking stud.
We're surrounded by... I can't believe that. We had a camera malfunction, and we saw about 100 head of elk. I can't believe that. Right through a rock slide right in our lap. I think we're gonna be okay. There's over 100 head in this basin. So, all right, bro. I'll send you pictures later. But Miguel, Miguel, he's like, fuck, what? So that's a bull. That's a small bull. Yeah, go see the guard going up the side. Got him. I got him if he does. It's gonna be a fight. Yeah. Yeah, they're within 100 yards of each other now. You see him yet? Where did he go? He'll come. Where is he? He took off with a sled. Okay. Where are they going, damn it? That's all good. They're just gonna go bed up now. One down. Oh yeah. That's him. That's a bull. It's a 5-point. Small bull. No way.
That's not a small bull.
Yes, it is. He don't look small, really small.
That's a nice bull. That's a really nice bull. Let's turn out and go.
Mm-hmm. Challenge time. Yeah, that's not a big bull.
No, it's not.
Okay.
It's a monster.
That thing is humongous. That's the bull. That's our bull.
Holy shit.
See him, Dad? Top of the ridge.
Holy.
That's the bull, Pete, from yesterday.
912.
912. Brett can kill him right there.
Alright, just arrived at the Boise airport. We're waiting on Brett to finally show up here so we can get in there and go shoot one of these bulls that we've been finding. He's got about an hour before he's here, so we're gonna get some food and hang out. And then we'll get a move on. Freaking finally, dude. Let's go. You excited? Yeah. Here, you can take it off. Well, let's go shoot a bull.
Yeah, we're gonna kill a big one. Yeah. Morning.
I'm having freaking coffee.
Holy shit, it's
and a
early.
lot.
It is early.
Holy crap.
We got up early, so that like at 4, so we could go down to our spot with nobody else, without the worry of anybody else being down there before us. And we're just gonna sit down and wait for a bull.
I heard this quote from another hunter a few months ago that really spoke to me. He said, "It's funny, I've forgot thousands of my days as if I've never lived them. But I remember every day in the mountains with my dad. The sights, the sounds, the smells, the things that we said to each other. It's fascinating truth that when life is well lived, it is well remembered. And those days that were just mundane and we didn't challenge ourselves, those days are memoryless days. Never happened. But these are the days we remember. These are the days that we live and breathe for, that we pursue, that we want to be a part of, because we know that on these days we felt most alive."
A big one. Yeah, a big one. We haven't got to it yet. I just shot it.
We don't think it's
We don't know.
we don't think it's the biggest one that we've seen, but it's a nice one.
Because we shot it. It was an 800-yard shot. So we can't really see. Well, we don't think it was the biggest one out here, but we think it's really big. Yeah.
I seen his frame. He was pretty tall.
So we're just gonna, like, pack up, go back to the four-wheelers. Oh, it just dropped. Yeah, it just dropped. No, I'm talking to Grandma.
Oh. Looking at the elk, I thought you told me, I'm like, what the hell?
It's like, the hell, you thought I was saying that the elk just fell down.
Alright. So I missed the shot. Brett,
Yeah.
these hunters showed up on this ridge up here.
And the hunters pushed it over.
And they started bugling and got these bulls. The bulls were bugling the whole day. But then the hunters showed up
There's more than
and
hunting on
pushed these elk right across this big clear cut here.
Yeah.
And they started running as fast as they could all the way across there. And right at the edge of that clearing over there is where Brett's elk died. That was 846 yards. One shot dumped him right there. The damn thing just fell. So we got a big pack ahead of us now. So
3 miles to the
we're gonna go get that done. And we'll
and then
Yeah,
drive
dude.
all the way
Let's
down
get
to
it.
the grab our snaps. We were sitting over there this morning, heard a couple bugles, looked over, and there's these cows running out right down here. And so I got on the gun, started looking at the cows, and this huge bull came over. And my dad and everybody started yelling at him to make him stop. And he gave me that perfect shot, and I took it. Dead bull.
Where'd you hit him at?
Right in the neck.
Perfect shot. How far was it?
850 yards.
Nice. Well, good job, bud. Alright, let's get out of here. Keep packing up the meat. Got Miguel. Got some pack mules with him.
Got signed up to be pack mules.
Yeah, you did. Appreciate it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job, dude.